The man who speaks in the audio file is a travel agent who has been working for 10 years because he loves to travel. But the main reason is that there is the possibility to get cheap flights on holiday. His experience of working resorts helped him in this job. The travel agent is a seller, so he advises people on the holiday options available in different destinations. When the clients decide where they want to go, he books for them and gives them all the information they need to know, such as weather conditions, the time of the check-in, and so on. The workers tells also that the customers are all different. There are some people who don't know really where they want to go. He tells us also that in the past he knew some clients who had booked a flight to Venice and the next week they came to him furious because they wanted to go to Vienna where there was an important meeting.